Here we go. Dilemma. I've switched all the water off for the toilet and the sink, but this feed for the electric shower here, I don't know where that's come from. So as far as where to switch it off, I think I've got to just switch off the mains water because I'm not sure where that's coming in. And then I just have to smash a hole out there, put a cap on it, and yeah, go from there, I think. But yeah, I almost just undid it straight away without thinking. Lucky I thought for a second. Oh, these little beauties. Job Dunsky, protected. Right, remember if you're gonna paint onto fresh plaster, always do 50-50 with the paint and water to water it down, to it sort of keys it, like the paint sucks into the plaster and doesn't sort of peel off later on. Like if you just put a fresh solid coat of paint on, it might peel off because it hasn't sunk in properly. So yeah, 50-50 for the first coat, and yeah, then normal coats after. Been given a pair of these iSonic earmuffs and goggles in one, and I've been trying them out over the last few days, and they're really good. They are so convenient. Normally you end up missing something off because you want to just get the job done, but if you've got everything attached, in one, you never forget to protect your eyes then. And yeah, well worth the purchase. These are brilliant. Look at that, look. Done. If you had if you had a dust mask on it as well, that'd be even better. But, I don't know, might be a bit too much that, but yeah, brilliant, these things. Well worth the purchase. Right, I am going to be fitting a offset quadrant shower screen, and I've done all sorts of screens and that before, but they're all a little bit different. So I have read up on it how to do it. But yeah, basically, you fix your two end bits in. These are the ones that go against the walls. No silicone yet. Use silicone on the outside of the screen afterwards. So the first thing you do is get your distance in of your where you want the screen to sit on the tray. So whack a screw in there. Stainless steel screws don't stick to the bit holder, which is rather annoying. This is made really easy because I'm using these nuance boards, which is like a hybrid MDF stuff, and I know it's got thermalite behind, thermalite blocks, so the screws can go through the nuance board and into the thermalite block. You don't have to drill anything, which is bloody handy. Right, I've got the other U-channel track in. Now I've got to fix the base bit, which is this big rounded part here, and that's got to go in there, like so. Can you see that down there? No, you can't. You can see a bit of it. There we go. Right, so what you do is you take this track off of here. I'm assuming it goes that way, but no, it goes the other way, of course it does. Which is actually that one there. So you've got to line this track up here with a track on the base. Shower tray, you've got a shorter run here and a longer run here, so you get the longer piece of glass. So probably should use a hand screwdriver for this lot, but I don't use a hand screwdriver for anything because it takes more time. Put the top on now, maybe. Yeah, actually, maybe I should have done that in the first place. and tightened. And then all you do once you've done all those little bits is just put a clear silicone around down the side, around the bottom and up the other side, and that's it. Not on the inside, only on the outside. Enjoy. And here is the finished product. Lovely bathroom. It's got two entrances to this bathroom. I'm not painting the doors either, which is a bit of a shame really, because I would like to have finished the whole thing. But yeah, looks smart, isn't it? Got the two shower heads, so you've got the rain head and the wand thing, and these quadrant shower screen door things, and another one of these and all. Where you see that? Lovely. That's it.